Buffet, come look at this. All right, we just finished the snag tree walk. We've witnessed the majestic beauty of cranes. We are so inspired. We still have like 700 meters to go. Is it right?
That's correct.
Yeah, 700 meters to go, and stay with me. In the heart of Rwanda, we find a home of over 100 bird species from 4 different continents. Black-necked cranes, red-crowned, hooded crane, Siberian crane, white-necked crane, Saris crane, demoiselle crane, black-crowned crane, whooping crane, and the majestic gray-crowned crane. It's another beautiful day in the Rwandan aesthetics. My name is Kagame Innocent. Today, I'm going to take you to a home of 100 species of birds. Birds from all over the world. We're talking about birds from 4 continents in one park. Musambi Village, located in Kigali, Kabuga, Rwanda. Please stay tuned. Nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, welcome to Musambi Village, Kigali'S enchanting wetland park. Today, we're diving into a birdwatcher's paradise that's packed with wonders and surprises. Buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey through one of Rwanda's best kept secrets. First stop, the cranes. These majestic birds are the stars of Musambi Village. With their elegant dances and striking plumage, they are like the royalty of the wetland world. Picture this. You're strolling along the boardwalk and suddenly you spot a crane doing its iconic courtship dance. It's a sight you won't forget. Buffet, come look at this. Nah, yeah, look.
Wow.
Majestic, man. Nah, this is so nice. Beautiful. What I've just learned is unbelievable. Male cranes and female cranes, they take turns to sit their eggs. And when they got the chicks, they raise them together. I don't know if there's anything we humans need to learn from animals more than that. It's the most beautiful thing I've learned in my life. Come and see this. Can you show this? Can I have this?
Try.
I hope somebody sees this. Almost. Yeah, there they are. There they are, yes. Wow. This doesn't have a transmitter, bro. I would need that. All right, we just finished the snag tree walk.
we've witnessed the majestic beauty of cranes. We are so inspired. We still have like 700 meters to go, is it right?
That's correct.
Yeah, 700 meters to go, and stay with me. All right, as you can see, we're going to the Musambi Trail. We're taking the left, and then we'll do the nature's walk after, you know, left or right? Left. Let's do this.
It's perfect for families and bird-watching newbies alike. Whether you're here to spot a rare species or just enjoy a scenic walk, there's something for everyone. Kids will love the adventure of spotting colorful birds, and adults will appreciate the peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city life.
All right.
Let's check out this place.
Wait.
That place, let's check it out.
Oh yeah, sure. Crane lookout. It's a crane lookout actually.
Yeah.
Come here. Run, my boy. All right, we just finished the lookout, the crane lookout, and we have 600 to 500 meters to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, 500 approximately, and we're here for the beauty. Let's go.
As we wander down the pathways, the lush greenery and tranquil waters set the perfect scene. This park isn't just a habitat, it's a stage where nature performs its most incredible acts. The boardwalks give us a front row seat to the drama and beauty of the wetland ecosystem.
Buffy, come here, come here. Wow, you cannot believe this. This tree right here, it's called Cardia africana. It was planted by His Majesty, King Charles III. It was around 2022. Wow, so King Charles was here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice, this is nice. Everybody has all the reasons to be here.
So whether you're a seasoned bird watcher or just looking for a tranquil getaway, Musambi Village offers an experience like no other. From the fascinating cranes to the vibrant bird life, every moment here is a reminder of the beauty and importance of our natural world.
We're at the picnic area. Come close. So there's a funny fact about bamboos, and I feel like it's so inspirational for everybody, for myself as well. This is the process of growing bamboos. Normally they put the seeds down in the ground, and it takes approximately 5 years to to start seeing it coming out. And when it comes out, it just grows, you know. So I feel like sometimes in our lives, when we plant our seeds, when we try to do the things we love or the things we aspire to be, it takes time. It takes time to see the fruits. It takes time to see the results. But when you're patient, you're going to be like a bamboo tree, my friend. All right, last time we took a left from the Musambi trail. Now we're going to the right. We're going to the butterfly house. And yes, they told me that weekdays it's normally closed, but on the weekends we could get into the butterfly house. Hopefully we'll be able to get in there. Come with me. We just got to the butterfly house. As you can see right here, normally open on Saturdays and Sundays. We're at the wrong day of the week, but yes, as you can see, this is the butterfly house. They've got like a water system going on. It's really nice. Right now, we're going to enter this indigenous tree nursery. All the greenery you see out here, this is where it begins.
Thanks for joining me on this bird-filled adventure at Musambi Village. Remember, every visit supports the conservation of these amazing creatures and their habitat. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the aesthetics of Rwanda.
Do you see how hydrated these plants are? This is how you should get hydrated, my friend. This is where I want to spend the rest of my life. Right here. Right? Right here. Nah, this is beautiful. Honestly speaking, this is the most beautiful part of Kigali. If you love nature, if you like the wildlife, this is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Ooh.
I feel like I just want to sit and meditate for the whole day.
I want to spend the rest of my life right here. I don't want to move from here. This is nice. This is nice. This is in Musambi Village. This is Rwanda.